Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are searching for latest remote internships, AI jobs, software engineering opportunities or fresher openings, then today's video is going to be extremely useful. Today I will be sharing 3 exciting opportunities that are currently accepting applications. The first opportunity is from American Express where they are hiring apprentices for their Gen AI and automation team. This is a hybrid role. The second opening is from EdgeVerve Systems, which is an Infosys company hiring system engineers. And finally, we will share a web development internship from Aalteon. Along with internship, you will be getting a job offer opportunity based on your performance. So make sure to watch this video till the end because these opportunities are completely different from each other and one of them could be perfect fit for your career. Let's start with the today's biggest opportunity. The first opening is from American Express for the role of apprentice. This is a full-time hybrid position based in Gurugram and it's open for freshers. Now, even if you have been following the AI industry, you will know the companies are rapidly investing in Gen AI. American Express is doing the same. Instead of working on basic support tasks, selected candidates will become part of the Gen AI and automation team where they will build AI powered solution to automate enterprise workflows. This makes the role significantly more valuable than a traditional apprenticeship. Let's talk about your responsibilities. You will develop AI assisted applications that improve accounting, reconciliation, reporting, and analytics processes. You will write Python scripts for automation, work with SQL databases to extract and validate data, integrate large language models using prompt engineering techniques, maintain enterprise automation workflows, manage structured as well as unstructured business data, troubleshoot production systems, document technical solutions, and collaborate with different teams to automate complex business processes. So, this is not just another coding role, you will gain practical experience working with AI, automation, and enterprise software development, which are among the fastest growing skill areas today. The required skills include Python, SQL, data analysis, Gen AI, large language models, workflow automation, Microsoft Power Platform, prompt engineering, and problem solving. If you have worked on Python projects, SQL, ChatGPT APIs, or any AI related personal projects, those will definitely strengthen your applications. Coming to the benefits, American Express offers a hybrid work model and excellent long term career growth. If you are interested in AI engineering or data engineering, this is easily one of the today's best opportunity. Now let's move on to the second opening. This one is from EdgeVerve Systems for the role of system engineer. EdgeVerve System is a company owned by Infosys and it's well known for developing digital banking platforms which is used by banks around the world. This is a full-time in-office role open to freshers across India. Unlike traditional software developer position, this role focuses more on enterprise infrastructure and digital banking systems. As a system engineer, you will customize and implement Finacle solutions for enterprise clients. You will participating in software delivery, testing, deployment, infrastructure maintenance, operating system configuration, network monitoring, troubleshooting, and infrastructure automation. You will also coordinate with IT teams and deployment engineers to ensure smooth enterprise implementations. The required skill include computer networks, UNIX or Linux, TCP/IP, operating systems, network troubleshooting, and communication skills. Knowledge of Python, Perl, Ruby, OSI model, and system security will be an added advantage. One of the biggest reasons to consider this opportunity is the exposure to large scale banking technology. You will work on enterprise grade software platforms. You will work on enterprise grade software platforms used by financial institutions globally while becoming the part of Infosys ecosystem, which provides excellent learning opportunities and long-term career growth. If you are interested in DevOps, cloud engineering, or Linux administration, this role deserves your attention. Now let's move on to the today's final opportunity. This opportunity is from Aalteon for the role of Web Developer Intern. This is a 6-month work from home internship offering a monthly stipend of 15,000 rupees. The company has announced 15 openings, which means your chances of getting shortlisted are comparatively better. Most importantly, apart from stipend, there is also an opportunity to receive a full time job offer after successful completing the internship. Now let's talk about the work. As a web developer intern, you will collaborate with experienced developers to build and improve websites. Your responsibilities include implementing new website features, improving existing functionality, debugging website issues, optimizing website speed and responsiveness, ensuring mobile friendly user experiences, and participating in technical discussions and code reviews. The required skills include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, responsive web design, debugging, code optimization, and team collaboration. Knowledge of Git, version control systems, front end frameworks, performance optimization will be an additional advantage. If you already have built personal portfolio websites, landing page, or React projects, make sure to highlight them in your resume while applying because they can significantly improve your chances of selection. For students who want to enter web development or front end development specifically, this internship provides a practical industry experience while allowing you to work remotely. So, yeah, guys, these were the three opportunities. If you are excited about AI, Python, SQL, or automation, then go for the American Express opportunity. If your interest lies between Linux, networking, or cloud, then go for the second one. And if you're still a student looking for practical experience in development side, then third opportunity is good one. Before ending this video, here's something important piece of advice. Many students keep applying because they think they don't meet every single skill set mentioned in the job description. But please don't make that mistake. Company usually list their ideal candidate, but they know freshers are still learning. And if you cover most of the skill set in the job description, and if you cover most of important of them, then make sure to apply. And do not think they have mentioned 3 to 4 tech stacks. They pick a candidate based on the project requirements for their company because in a company they build softwares for other companies which requires other tech stacks too. So according to your tech stack, they will align a project to you. And also I would like to say is that make your profile highlight by adding a lead code profile, solve DSA problems on lead code, and also optimize your GitHub projects and stay active on LinkedIn. These small improvements make a huge difference during the interviews. If this video helped you discover useful fresher opportunities, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends who are also searching software jobs and internships. And if you want any particular job opportunity update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.